Spice up your spreadsheets with graphs and charts. Do you have complex data that needs to be presented in an easy to understand format? Then look no further than charts and graphs. With just a few clicks, you can turn your spreadsheet data into a visual representation that is both informative and visually appealing. In this lesson, you'll learn everything you need to know about creating and customizing charts and graphs in your spreadsheets. We'll cover the basics of what charts and graphs are and how they can be useful, as well as step-by-step instructions for adding them to your spreadsheets and customizing their appearance. You'll also learn how to use charts and graphs to communicate your data and conclusions clearly. Let's get started. Introduction to charts and graphs. What are charts and graphs? Charts and graphs are visual representations of data that make it easier to understand complex information. They can help you identify trends, patterns, and relationships in data that might be difficult to see in a table. The benefits of using charts and graphs. Simplify complex data. Highlight trends and patterns. Compare data sets. Identify relationships between variables. Make data more visually appealing. Types of charts and graphs. There are many types of charts and graphs, and each one is best suited for certain types of data. Some common types of data and graphs include bar charts, line graphs, pie charts, scatter plots, heat maps. When to use charts and graphs. Charts and graphs are most useful when you have a lot of data to present and you want to make it easier for your audience to understand. They can be used to compare data sets, show trends over time, highlight differences between groups, display proportions or percentages. How to create charts and graphs. To create a chart or graph, you will need to select the data you want to include, choose the type of chart or graph you want to create, customize the chart or graph to fit your needs. Here are the steps to add a chart or graph to your spreadsheet. Step 1. Select the data you want to include in your chart or graph. Step 2. Click on the Insert tab in the top menu. Step 3. Choose the type of chart or graph you want to use. Step 4. Customize your chart or graph by adding titles, labels, and colors. Step 5. Save your spreadsheet and share it with others. Choosing the right chart or graph. It's important to choose the right type of graph or chart for your data. Here are some examples. Line chart. A line chart is used to show trends over time. Bar chart. A bar chart is used to compare categories of data. Pie chart. A pie chart is used to show parts of a whole. Formatting charts and graphs. Once you have created a chart or graph, you can format its appearance to make it more visually appealing and easier to understand. Adding chart elements. You can add various elements to your charts, such as title, data labels, and a legend to help readers understand what the chart represents. Changing chart type. You can change the chart type if you want to display the data in a different way. Changing chart colors. You can change the color scheme of your chart to match your company's branding or to make it more visually appealing. Formatting chart axes. You can format the horizontal and vertical axes of your chart to make the data easier to read. You can change the axis levels, the minimum and maximum values, and the interval between tick marks. Changing chart layout. You can change the layout of your chart to make it fit better on a page or to emphasize certain data points. Adding chart titles and labels. You can add a title and labels to your chart to provide context and to help readers understand what the chart represents. With these formatting options, you can create charts and graphs that are both informative and visually appealing. Using charts and graphs to communicate results. When presenting data, it's important to make it easy for your audience to understand. Charts and graphs are a great way to do that. When creating a chart or graph, keep it simple. Too much information can overwhelm your audience. Use clear and concise labels and titles. Choose the right type of chart or graph for your data. Different types of data require different types of charts. Use colors and patterns to make your chart or graph easier to read. Make sure your chart or graph is properly labeled. Your audience should be able to understand what chart is showing without additional explanation. Always analyze and interpret your data before creating a chart or graph. This will help you choose the right type of chart and make sure that your conclusions are accurate. When presenting your chart or graph, make sure to explain what it means. Don't assume that your audience will understand the data without explanation. This is the end of our lessons. Thank you for joining.